is up? What is up? What is up? Up. Scott here. About to do a little fishing today. See what we can catch. I don't have too much longer to fish. It's getting dark. Tried to sneak out real quick, so please don't tell my wife. As always. So stay tuned. Let's see if we can get a little episode for you guys today. And let's hook them in the mouth. Oh, right here at the edge. Oh, Mr. Perch. What's up, Damon? This water still ain't that cold. Damon, you getting fat, man. I don't know if I ever caught you before, but all right, guys. As you can see, I caught my first fish. It's a perch. Let's get Damon back in the water. Take it easy, Damon. Woo! And, started off with a little pan fishing today because I don't have a lot of time, as I stated. So I'm gonna go ahead and cast back out there again, see if I can catch something else. Oh, my line is tangled. Got him. Oh, he let it go. I don't see how I don't know. Oh, I missed him. Adjusting the camera and I missed it. And I missed the fish. Dog. Oh, I got him, guys. I got him. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see the size of this bass? Look at him. Look. Just look at him. Uh-huh. He wanted it. He wanted it. This is why I come out here. 6-pound test baby brush, not even a baby brush hog. Micro mini brush hog, guys. Micro mini brush hog. I'm so sorry. My gosh. I left my camera. Well, no, I actually have my GoPro, as you all can see, but I'm not sure if you all can see that. No SD card. I left my SD card at home, so I am actually using my phone today. So I apologize if you all can't see or hear or whatever the case may be. Should be all right. I was using my phone to start off with, and man, I hooked him good. This is a nice chunker. Nice chunker. Nice little baby bass. But I'll take it any day of the week. Let's get them back in the water. Romeo, you go find your Juliet, man. and you take it easy. Woo! Oh, that was a fun fight. That's what I come out here for. Love catching me some bass, man. But I love just catching fish in general. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Yeah, go back to the other side. Got him. I don't know what it is. Oh. Feel like another nice bass. Whew, he fighting hard. Yeah, it's another bass. Nice one too. Man, I am catching some chunky mamas today. Whew, buddy, that is a nice baby bass. That's probably a teenager right there. Barely even had it. Boy, that's why I love coming to this spot. All right, let's see if we can get you out of here. All right, happy dedication to my son today. I'm gonna name you Tristan. Tristan loves to fish too. All right, you get out of here. You keep growing, Tristan. See you later, buddy. Whoa! Man, I love that little itty bitty micro brush hog. Hope y'all can see it in the grass. And I got it on a jig head. And that's it. I'm just burning it slow. And every once in a while, I'm getting hits. Guys, I'm sorry I missed this catch. Got another little baby bass, so that's 3 bass and 1 perch on the day. All right. I was on the phone with my friend Thomas, so we were talking about the tournaments coming up that we got coming up. We got two tournaments back to back. So in honor of my friend Thomas, hey Thomas, you get bigger, buddy. Woo! Scott Heads, I am done for the day. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like it, drop me a comment, subscribe. Hey, look, add me on Facebook, The Real Travis Scott. Add me on Instagram, The Real Travis Scott. Twitter, The Real Travis Scott. You know, Fish Brain, The Real Travis Scott. Oh gosh, no, I just love to have fun, guys. But I'm gonna get out of here, get home, get me a little dinner. I am hot, and I'll try to get back out another day soon. You all take it easy, Scott Heads.